fermenters. It's a beautiful spring day here in the garden, and I wanted to highlight a beautiful, easy to grow plant that you can also ferment. I'm talking about Nasturtium. It is kind of a ground covery plant. All parts of it are edible, and it seems to do well in most any environment, whether that's partial shade like we've got here or full sun. And of course it makes these gorgeous flowers. I've got variety that seems to like to make different color flowers. We've got light orange, some dark orange, some yellow, and possibly even some red around here. So as you can see, it tends to grow pretty easily. You don't have to give it a whole lot of care, but just beware because it is pretty prolific. However, it's easy to pick, and like I said, the leaves, the stems, the flowers, and even the seeds are edible. So sometimes I have it growing in the garden beds, sometimes it just likes to hang out on the exterior. Like I said, it's a pretty fast grower, and it does provide good ground cover. Even if you don't like the taste, it's still good for chop and drop. I don't think the chickens are particularly fond of it, but maybe your chickens are.